So me and our partners are doing some athletic drills. Keep going, mate. And as the Tokyo Olympics is knocking at the door, all the Indian athletes, they are going full tilt. They're going hammer and tongs so that they can bring laurels in the Tokyo Olympics. Like, for example, Duti Chand, the women's sprinter. And when it comes for athletics, we all remember the fond memories of late Milkha Singh. What amazing glory the man brought in 1916 Rome Olympics when he missed that bronze medal by a whisker. Of course, the Asian Games and Commonwealth, the man became champion. Then he was followed by Gurbachan Singh Randhawa. We all remember P.T. Usha again missed that Olympic medal by just the coat of varnish, what we say in cricket. Coming to the new generation, we have got Hima Das, and now we have got Duti Chand. So in this episode of Be Sports Fit, I am going to focus on certain drills which can improve your athletic ability. It is some of the drills that the sprinters are doing. So me and Ajab, let's get cracking, mate. This is called A skip. We do at first cadence. Okay. The B skip in first cadence. Right. This is the next one. Right. The A skip. Keep the arm drive going on a spot. Right. So you can see. Now change leg, mate. Same A skip with a bounce. This is called hop and change. Lovely. Now change leg. So you can see straight away start with A skip. For the B skip, A skip with a bounce or hop. You see, with a hop we're moving. Change leg. Same way we can hop, and you can see. Like, good. We go for the traditional high knee after this. Now go, Ajab. Full tilt. Very nice. Now as we are doing this, suddenly we stop. Ooh. Okay, that's a pause. Quick. Pause. Good. Quick. Pause. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. You can see triple extension. This in one line. Now this is called hip. It is well extended. No flexion at the knee. Ramrod straight. These are called the range. These are called the variety. These are the things you advance. So I repeat. First, you master this. Second, you stand and hop. Third, hop and forward on the move. So this progresses the drills. In sprinting parlance, there is a saying, good running mechanic drills, proper conditioning and strength. These are the three weapons that catapults you into the higher echelons of world athletics, where the likes of Usain Bolt belong to. This is called a K-band. Now I tell you, these are different resistance rubbering, right? Rubber tubing. And the band is with a Velcro. I tell you, the Velcro works like this, and you strap it. And this is available online. Now you see, I have strapped it here. This is called resistance tube. This is the drill. Pull and go, but with a band. Right, good work. Okay, so each hand do 12 drives. Rest a while I can do 3 cool sets. You can even go for 4 sets. So one more I tell you. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Do it. Small story. When Usain Bolt was at his peak, he used to say, I love competition even in training. So he will pick Dwight York, one more guy from Jamaica. They will sprint, and that's the reason why 9.58 still remains. In 2009 he did it. The number one, sort of untouchable. And Duti Chand's best timing, 11.17. What about the current world record? 10.49. That is a whopping 10.49. Florence Griffith Joyner, late Florence Griffith Joyner, who passed away at the very tender age of 38. So let's go for this cracking stuff. Sit on the floor. Yeah, legs forward, legs forward. Yeah. Now, I will be throwing the ball and sprint. You have to get up and chase me. And the distance is 20 meters. Okay, go. You have to catch me, mate. Yeah. Okay. Okay, now let's go. It is your turn. Go. Come on. Yes. Well done. So that competition brings the best. That's explosive power. And in the next episode, we'll try to bring you some power exercises, strength. Till then, from me and Achal, bye bye, and wishing all our Indian athletes, be it the swimmer, be it the rower, be it the boxer, the wrestlers, and Sindhu and company, all the best. They bring laurels for us. And of course, keep following Be Sports Fit and subscribe to Sports Today.